Hey everybody, the long-awaited tutorial is here. I'm gonna do a tutorial for my eyelashes today, so y'all can go ahead and see how I put my lashes together. I'm gonna be using my Diamond Girls lashes. I have a very bold look going on today, so I'm gonna use my bold lashes here. These are my Patties. These are inspired by Patti LaBelle, and these are Diamond Girls 3D Mink lashes. These are my brand of lashes, which you can purchase from me. Just look down at the info and you'll see the details about the lashes. But we'll go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do when you're doing lashes is you want to open your pack and you want to take your lashes out with a pair of tweezers. You want to measure them to your eye to make sure that they match your eye, your length of your eye. If they do not match, then you cut off the portion that you don't need, as if you're doing a weave. Once you do that, then you want to bend your lashes, okay? You bend them, right? That's when you first take them out the box. The next step you want to do is you want to put on your mascara and your top line of eyeliner, which I've already done because I did, as you can see, I'm dusty. I just finished my Facebook Live for today. The next step would be, for me, would be that I've already done my eyeliner and I'm getting ready to do the mascara now. So you would put your mascara on next. Okay, after you've put on your mascara and your eyeliner, then you want to go ahead and put your glue on your lashes. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put the glue on my right lash. You want to make sure that your lashes are cleaned off previously from your last use. These are 3D Mink lashes, so they can be worn up to 30 times, unlike the store brand ones where you have to change every day. So I'm going to go ahead and put on a little glue. You want to make sure that you have enough glue on both ends as well as the entire band. But you want to make sure that there's plenty of glue on the edges. So if there is any lifting that occurs, it usually happens there. Okay. So once you put on your lash glue, then you want to go ahead and fan your lashes. Okay, so you're fanning and blowing. Do this for about 60 seconds, 30 seconds at the least, but 60 seconds at the most. All right, I've fanned previously to getting this back on. Okay, so next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna hold your lashes with your tweezers. You want to point the lashes straight up to the air and you're going to drop them down onto your lid in a downward motion. Now we're going to repeat the same steps with the second lash. I'm looking for my lash glue now. My mascara and my liner is done on the second eye, so I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on my lash. get started. Tweezers, lash up, dropping motion. Okay, now that you have your lashes on, then the next step would be to line the top line of your lashes and to do your bottom. Now that is the top, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the bottom and finish my beats. So just stick around. And that is my eyelash tutorial for beginners. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what you want to see me do next, and I will go ahead and I will try my hardest to make your dreams a reality. So join me again for my next recording. This is Dami, y'all. Peace.